So for these burgers, we got 3 pounds of ground beef. This is freshly ground. I got it over at the Happy Mango in Barrie, Ontario. You guys go over there, check them out. See there and tell them I sent you in. Get yourself some ground beef and you can make some burgers too. I'm gonna start off by hitting it with some salt. We're using pink Himalayan salt. That should be good there. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just going by eye. Some black pepper. We got a fine grind black pepper here, freshly ground. Once again, just going in by eye. And we're gonna use some garlic powder. SPG. That's it. Keep it plain and simple. Just like that. Get your hands in there, mix it all in together nicely. Get it all incorporated throughout that meat so you got your flavoring throughout, not just stuck in one spot and it's gonna be in one burger. I'm gonna get this mixed up nicely and I'll show you our next step of what we're gonna do. So take some ground beef, put it in a burger mold, press it down, just like that. Knock it out. I'm gonna flip it over, repeat that press one more time on the other side here, just like that. I'm just trying to get this thinned out. There we go. Give it a little slap. Flip it back over again. There we go. I'm not sure what these weigh. Couldn't tell you. And I take some smoked Gouda that I had smoked a while ago. And I'm gonna put that right here in the middle. Right in the middle. I shredded this up. I figured it'd be easier to work with. Now that I'm working with it like this, I probably should have left it in chunks like I normally do, but I figured the shredding might be easier to do this. That's okay. It'll still work out. So just put it in the center. Just like so. Grab a little bit more of the beef now. Just somewhat flatten it out so it's relatively the size to cover, just like that. And let's press it in there. This is gonna be a nice jumbo burger, which I'm fine by that. Once again, I'm just gonna flip it over here. Give it another press. Oh yeah, we got a monster burger here. Good job. Perfect. Finished giving it a little form by hand if you want. Just like that. There we go. I'm gonna press it a couple more times because I want to get rid of this seam. I don't want the seam in it. So I'm gonna do that. We've got our pit boss warmed up to a good 400 degrees right now. We're going on hot and fast with these. I've got one here, it's a Juicy Lucy. Look at that nice sizzle. I've got another one here. This is the big one that we made. I'm gonna put that right in the back. Hear that sizzle nicely there too. And here's the third one that I had made. I'm gonna put this one, put it right there in the front. And these are just regular patties that I pressed together. We're just gonna throw them on there as well. The kids didn't want Juicy Lucy burgers, so they got regular burgers. Throw that guy in the front there. Throw that guy over there. That's it. They're all on. Listen to that nice sizzle. We're gonna close this lid down now. Let them go. I'll probably let them go for about 15 or so minutes. Then I'm gonna flip them over. We're right in at that 15-minute mark right now. Let's take a look. They're looking good. Let's give these guys a flip. Oh yeah, nice grill mark on it. mark on that one too. Now he's got some nice markings too. I'm gonna get these guys flipped over. We'll pick back up. Another 15 minutes has passed, bringing us to a total of half an hour right now. I'm just gonna give these guys a quick little flip again. One last flip over. Yeah, we got a little cheese coming up the side of that one. It's okay though. Look, these guys aren't cooperating. They're slippery. That guy flip too. Just gonna give them all a flip. Bring them out. Bring them out. There we are. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some marble cheddar to these guys here for the kids. Just like that. And I'm going to top the other ones with some more smoked Gouda. So we got it on the inside, and now we got it on the outside. It'll be a nice cheesy burger. And a little bit more on this big guy back here. Maybe a touch more on this one too. There we go. We're going to let this melt down. We're going to let all this cheese melt down nicely. Then we'll pull it off. Give it a slice into it. Show you guys what we're looking at. After a couple of minutes, our cheese is melted. Look at that. Let's get these guys off. Plain one. There we go. We've got them all off. Put it in there. Let you guys have a look. Looks good. There we go. I'm going to get these guys into the house. I'm going to put one into a bun. We'll slice it open. Hopefully we get some cheese oozing out of it. See you there. Burger's done. I'm a plain guy. Mayo, I got ketchup and hot peppers. These are the hot peppers that I'm using here. We're using the ones from Pizza Nova. I like these. They're really good.
But it might taste good.
Well, I'm sure it does. Let's get our burger over here onto our bun.
That's yummy.
Let's close the top part up on our bun there. Give it a little press down. Let's give this guy a cut open. See what we got inside of it. And there we are. Let's see what we got.
That looks delicious.
Oh, look at that.
It looks so yummy.
Look
I
at
want
that.
to eat it right now.
Nice and juicy. Cheese
It
is
looks
just
so-
oozing out of it.
Looks so good.
It does. I don't know if you're gonna like the hot peppers though, buddy. I gotta give it a bite.
Tell me if it's good, because I really want to try. Is it good?
There you go. Oh yeah.
Because it looks good.
Thumbs up on that. Excellent ground beef. Worked out perfect for these burgers. Getting that nice SPG flavor out of
It
it.
looks delicious.
Also getting that nice smoky flavor from the smoked Gouda that's inside of it and on the top of it. Excellent. You guys like this one? Give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you guys all on the next one. Bye.